Welcome back to the Vaugh Show. Today is going to be a very special series. I'm going to film my New Year's Eve going into New Year's in Dubai. Yep, in Dubai. So guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Right now, we're just getting ready to head on downtown to Dubai. So if you guys ever decide that you want to come to Dubai for New Year's, I would advise make sure you stay downtown. My era, I should have done more research, but I didn't stay downtown. I kind of stayed near the airport towards the night of the eve of New Year's Eve. And so what they do is they shut the city down around 4 o'clock. So I got to figure out now how I'm going to get my butt into the city because we got a table. I would advise that you stay in downtown so that you can walk straight to the Burj Khalifa because that's where everything is. And so because of COVID, they have so many different checkpoints and you have to log into an app. You gotta put your passport in, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and then it gives you a barcode, and then you should present them the barcode. You know, Dubai do the most. But I mean, I appreciate it because it's very organized. A lot of the restaurants located in the center, in the heart of where the Burj Khalifa is, was like, hey, we're selling tables. So I was like, well, okay, well, how much is a table? So we ended up paying like almost like 2,000 AED, which was like, I think like 750 American dollars. But to be quite honest, I think it's worth it because you get a seat, you get endless food, you get endless drinks, and you're literally in the smack dab of the Burj Khalifa and like no one's in your view. Just like how what you do in New York. Like you have to stand the entire time. I'm too cute to be standing any place, okay? And you guys, this outfit I've already worn before, so don't try to check me in my comments like, oh, Paul, you've worn that in one of your other videos. Yep, because we save money here. We're on a budget. Matter of fact, if you haven't seen Hi Vaughn video, make sure you check that out because it's the same outfit that I have on, that I'm wearing. All I'm gonna do is pop on some Gucci shades, boom, and head on out. So let me finish getting ready, y'all. We gotta figure out how we're gonna get downtown to our section, which all sections start at 7 o'clock. I don't gotta rush no more. I got me a section. I can eat, chill out, drink, smoke some hookah, and enjoy bringing in the new year. So I'm very much excited. So guys, make sure you watch this video. It's gonna give you a basic overview of if you wanna come to Dubai for New Year's, kind of give you an idea like how things look, and this is my first time too. This is my very first time. So we're going to see this together and we're going to experience this together as well. So I'm going to get ready. I think we're going to probably try to take an Uber as far as we can. And then we're going to see if we can hop on a train and go into the city to the Burj Khalifa area. So again, guys, I will see you guys shortly. In the direction of going to the mall. The train, as you can see, I'll show you guys, is very clean. So it's a very clean train station. So I'm going to continue. We have like 5 more stops. And it only costs, if you guys decide to stay outside of downtown Dubai, you want to take the train in. Is 30 rand going into Dubai Mall and out of Dubai Mall in the direction of the airport. So in case you're like, hey, I don't want to spend the extra money staying downtown, I'll just take the train. You can do that. Take a look at the view. Alright guys, we'll continue on and we'll be in Dubai shortly. Downtown. All right, guys, we finally got off the train. So it didn't stop at the Burj Khalifa train station, so we had to go to Business Bay to catch it to get off. So now we're walking. You can kind of see we're walking towards the Burj Khalifa to security to find our section. So I will say, be prepared to walk. You might want to bring your little bag put some shoes in. I got some sandals, so, but I don't care. I look cute today. You guys, we have finally made it. Oh, it was so stressful, y'all. Well, we're gonna talk about it later on in my video. No, we're gonna talk about it now. So make sure if you ever decide to do this, you come on time, 3 o'clock, before 3 o'clock. When I tell you they shut this stuff down, they shut it down. We literally had to find someone to be a part of a family to come through the gate. We had to literally walk the entire section to get here. Once we had the section, we had to lie just to get into the mall to our section. We almost lost our money, but guess what? No complaint. It's New Year's Eve. We made it. We made it. We made it. So this is the setup for where we are. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna turn around. You get to order food, so you get appetizers, 2 main entrees, dessert, and then limited drinks all night. Alright you guys, I'm finally got my main course food here. I ended up going with the largest steak I could find. I'm not a big steak person, but I figured hell. So I'm gonna sit and chill, eat some more food. I'm gonna order some dessert afterwards. And drink my imaginary vodka raspberry now. I feel like tipsy. It was good. It was good. So I'm gonna eat some more, you guys. I'm gonna chill out and bring in the New Year shortly. Peace. We're going to drink our vodka. Mango strawberry smoothie with no alcohol, because I totally forgot Dubai does not allow alcohol to be served in the mall. So I'm going to imagine there's alcohol in here. Let's imagine that this is vodka. Oh, it burns going down. And we're going to chill and enjoy the night as we get ready to bring in the New Year's. Happy New Year's. It's almost New Year's, guys. Happy New Year's, everyone. Watching the Vaugh Show. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. Happy New Year, happy 2021, and I wish you guys a prosperous New Year's. Take care, peace.